Glorious, marvelous morning to one and all. This is Sal Kumar speaking in front of you. So guys, today Sir has launched one competition. A person who make video continuously 30 days, that person will get some prize. So I'm so excited. I'm so keen. I'm so thrilled to participate such type of a competition. Guys, what is my today topic? Today I'm going to put across my feeling, my emotion, my point of view on a topic, and my topic is very simple today, but let me tell you guys, that place, that topic changed my life. That place has changed my life. Yes, you heard it right. I'm talking about EIEA. English is Academy. I want to tell you about English is Easy Academy. It is located in near Post Office Churaha, Ramnagar Road 4 in Patna. If I talk about a coach, a mentor, a teacher, name is Sanjeev Sinha, and he has done MBA from University of Mumbai, and he has experience of my MNC company, multinational company like Aditya Birla, HDFC, Bajaj, and so on. 18 years as a senior branch head, and he is a heart of gold. He is a true blue person. He always he is a man Friday. He always support us, even everyone who is studying there. And here is taught soft skill center. In soft skill center, there are so many things come. First is personality development, second critical thinking, third leadership skill, fourth time management, one is social skill, and so on. In this era, soft skill is must. Skill is must. Guys, I want to give you a simple example, real example. 150 crore population in our India. About raw diamond. Yes, I am talking about raw diamond. Until unless we will not polish up, then it will not shine like a heaven. Similarly, in our life, if you don't know a skill, if you don't inculcate a skill in this era, it will not become different for other, because there are so many competition. There is so rat race in every competition. So you must learn English, you must enhance your skill. And English is Easy Academy. It gives me power, potential, courage, and as well as respect. Whenever I go, I will get respect by somebody, by someone, because of only English is Easy Academy. English is Easy Academy has changed my life. Whenever I go to village, everyone see me here, not here, because of only English is Easy Academy, and my parents feel proud on me. Only because of English is Easy Academy, only of mentor and coach of EIEA. And it is very necessary for everyone in this era skill. And English is Easy Academy going to make one of the finest speaker everyone, one of the greatest speaker everyone. And one day you will find somewhere down the line, sooner or later, you will know about English is Easy Academy. That institute is running all over the Bihar, even not Bihar, all over the India. And very soon, you will become best speaker if you put your heart and soul. You can see about me. I'm able to speak without any hesitation, without any fear. Why? Because of practice, because of English is Easy Academy. I practice a lot, and it is my first day in that competition. So that's all about English is Easy Academy. So that's it. I'm done. Thank you so much for listening to me carefully. You have been the best audience, such type audience I never seen in my life. So thank you. Please accept my salute. I'm done.